In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove any object in seconds with Adobe Firefly. Let's jump right in. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Adobe Firefly. You should see the official Adobe Firefly site appear at the top of the results. Click through to the Firefly homepage to get started. If you ever wonder whether you're in the right place, look for the fireflyadobe.com address in your browser's bar. Once you're on the site, find the Generate option on the main page and click it. This takes you to the Creative Tools Hub. From there, choose Generative Fill. Generative Fill is the feature that lets you remove, add, or replace elements in a photo using smart selection and AI-powered cleanup. Next, upload the image you want to edit. For this walkthrough, imagine we're using a living room photo with a distracting object on the coffee table. Drag your image into the window or use the Upload button to select it from your computer. Give it a moment to load. When your image appears, look for the Remove mode. Click Remove to make sure you're telling Firefly you want to erase something from the scene. You'll see a brush tool. This is what you'll use to mark the object you want gone. Carefully paint over the object with the brush. Take your time and be deliberate. You don't need to be hyper-precise, but try to cover the object's edges and a little of the surrounding area so Firefly has context to reconstruct the background. If the object has fine details or sits close to other items, zoom in and reduce the brush size for tighter control. If you overpaint and touch areas you want to keep, switch to the eraser and clean up the mask before continuing. Now that your object is fully highlighted, click Remove to apply the change. Firefly will analyze the selection, understand the surrounding textures and lighting, and fill in the area as if the object was never there. Wait for the results to generate. This can take a few moments, especially with larger images or complex backgrounds, so be patient. You'll see the updated image appear once the process finishes. If you notice small artifacts or leftover edges, simply refine your brush selection, adjust any overpainted areas, and click Remove again to run another pass. A couple of quick refinements usually produces a seamless result. And that's it. You went from opening Google to removing a distracting object in just a few clicks, using Adobe Firefly's Generative Fill and the Remove tool. Keep practicing with different brush sizes and zoom levels, and you'll get flawless edits in seconds.